And we're in front of another Sunliving by Adria called S72Dl Extra with the final price of 72,000 euros. And we shall be entering inside to check actual indoor look. And I will be pumping up the exposure so we have a better view. So we have large automatic 3-stove burner sink with two long cabinets from this side and actually three cabinets from this side. Pretty nice. Sitting area with foldable table and also sky roof. And if we go from this side, this is actually an drop down bed. So yep, mostly can fit almost two people on the top. Going from this side, we have an integrated shower unit with actual cassette toilet and sink that will be dropping down from this side. And on that side, we have the Thetford big long tower fridge. Small cabinet inside, and on back side we have three large cabinets with really long longitudinal bed, and I can measure actually how long it is. It's about 2 meters long, and from the widest part, let's measure from here, it's almost 2 meters and 15, and pretty large cabinet. And let's go outside. We should even go outside for an actual view of this camper.